everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix DoorDash app not accepting orders. If you're trying to order food but nothing goes through, here's how to solve it first. First, check your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if that works. If that does not work, then you'll have to go to settings and then search for storage, and then look for the app you're looking first, like DoorDash, and then click on offload app. This will clear all the storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data, and if the app is still available for download. And if that also does not help, go to App Store and then search for DoorDash. See if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if none of these help, go ahead and delete the app DoorDash from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.